Uh-oh, wasting another weekend working overtime on a painting project? The uneven coverage of that roller not cutting it? Tired of battling with the brush? Had your fill of spills, splatters, and running up and down ladders? Say so long to those obsolete rollers, brushes, and paint tray catastrophes, because now you can paint like a pro with new spray technology that's so advanced, it's simple. Introducing Paint Zoom, the amazing one-coat professional power painter that turns any project into a piece of cake. Now you can transform any ugly space into a designer showplace in just minutes. It's so easy. You just pull the trigger and paint. Imagine if you could paint this, and this, and this, or turn so-so into sensational. With the Paint Zoom, anyone can paint, stain, or varnish just like a pro. It's a fact. The best professional painters all use power sprayers because spray painting guns get the job done in a fraction of the time with a superior finish. Now you can paint like a pro without spending the dough with the Paint Zoom. It's the painting tool that has homeowners, renters, crafters, do-it-yourselfers, and weekend warriors painting like professionals for just pennies. Inside the portable power pack is an industrial-strength 650-watt motor that delivers the power you need for the biggest projects. You can dial in the coverage you want for vertical or horizontal painting. There's even a pinpoint setting to get you into the tightest spaces and places rollers and brushes can't reach. The Paint Zoom does the hard work for you, painting in just minutes all of those surfaces that would take you hours with a brush and roller. Paint flat walls, stucco, brick, paneling, concrete, wood, and so much more. Now you can bring knickknacks and worn-out antiques up from the basement and back to life. The Paint Zoom turns back the hands of time, turns trash into treasure, and turns an ordinary house into a magnificent home.